Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix UKG Dimensions app not working. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to close your UKG Dimensions app, and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So go into your settings app instead, and in here scroll down and click on general, then scroll down in here and click on storage, as you can see. And in here we're just going to search for, so just click on the search symbol in the top right corner in here, as you can see. Then we're going to search for UKG and then select the dimensions version. And here, of course, if you have multiple, just select the dimensions version, click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again, and just wait for the app to completely load to the newest version. So I did this myself and I went back into the app and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.